Well, morning everybody. This is a sunrise that greets us this morning. You can see every day the sun is coming earlier and earlier. What a pretty picture that is. Wow. Well, the wind is gusting already, but I think the sea will be flat. Come down, see if anybody's launching. Alrighty, at the water's edge. I might launch here, I'm not sure. It's pretty flat as you guys can see. So, but this bank is pretty steep. It doesn't look like it on the video, it looks flat. But it's actually quite steep going down to the water. So, but they might launch here. So I'll hang around, see what happens. Give you a view this morning from here. Beautiful Mapalan there in the background. Beeline emerging from the ramp there. So there are some people going out. Another big boat, so it should handle these windy conditions. Just see the roof disappearing into the dune there. Now we got some action. D-line eventually come around the corner. So a decision was made to come and launch at Mapalan. Always safety first. So far the only boat that's here is Beeline, as you can see. Catch a moment before the guys actually get pushed into the water. Right, Beeline floating. It's taken us nearly an hour and a half to get here and get this job done, but all in good faith and spirit. See, the water's got a lot choppier now than it was earlier this morning, but fortunately these big boats, they deal with this sea a lot better than the little ones. But Ralph did say to me that they don't plan on staying out too long. See if they can catch one or two snook. Alright. Listen to those mercuries. Yeah, this Mapalon is such a lovely lawn, so safe.
Spent all the while safely down to that line 4 on board and we'll be going south. Thank you very much, Wiseman.
Please just give me a call before you leave later. When I come down to you.
Alright, we'll make yeah, we'll phone you before we come back in.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to